So these text effects in Canva are actually super awesome. You're going to want to take notes to bring your designs to life. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more tutorials like this. Now inside of Canva, you're going to want to go over here and you're going to just go ahead and upload any kind of picture you want. I'm going to upload one of my face. Here we go. And we're going to go over here and we're going to say remove the background. Boom. Now that we have our background removed, we're going to go over here and we're going to say add text. And I'm just going to add this one right here. Now I'm going to make it all caps just so that it's a little bit more visible. And we're going to write whatever we want. So I'll just say, I'm just going to do that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate. So you can either do this by hitting here and saying duplicate, or you can do it on your keyboard. And we're going to line them up so that you can't even tell which is which. Then we're going to go over here to effects with one of them highlighted. We're going to say effects. We're going to say hollow. And then we're going to go over here. Click out of that, click our face, and click position. Now it's easier if you click the layers option here, and we're going to drag your face right up there in between the two. Okay, now if you can see right here, you can see the magic happening. So we're going to go like this. See that? Pretty cool. So there's number one. Now our second one that we're going to do is we're going to go over here. We have our design still. We have our square. We're going to go over here to apps. We're going to type in font frame and hit go. We're going to pull up this one. So we're going to do all one word because there's a few different ones. We're going to do all one word, say font frame. We're going to say use a new design, and we can pick whichever design we want. I like the square. And we're just going to follow the prompt. So we're going to say, what text do we want to say? We're going to say, we'll just do the same thing. I'm going to do it all caps again. We can pick the type of font that we want, and then we can, I'm going to choose this one. We're going to say add to design. There's our font. We're going to say the border. We can change the border color if we want. We can change the width if we want. I might do something like that. I'm going to say choose file. I'll just put this image here so we can see what happens. And then we can drag that image around if we want to. Pretty fun. We'll say add to design. It's going to pop up here, and then we can do whatever we want. It's a nice little font hack. All right, now this next one's pretty cool, especially if you're used to Adobe Illustrator, like manipulating text and fonts in different ways. So you're going to go over here. You have your new design right here. You're going to search for apps. You're going to come up here, and you're going to say type craft. This one right there. You're going to click there. You're going to say open the app. And then it's going to give you some options here as far as the style, the type of font you want, the colors, and then are we going to mirror it? Are we going to have it horizontal, vertical? What are we doing here? And then we can actually manipulate the shape of our type, which is really cool. Canva hasn't had this for a long time. They just released it not that long ago, and it's so fun. So you can manipulate it any way that you want. If you're working on a poster or, really anything, this is going to really help you, especially if Adobe is a lot, it's a lot to learn. You can do all of that here in Canva, which is awesome. So we're going to say add element to design, and then you can just play around. Have fun with it. Dun, dun, dun. We can update it. It's so cool.